Yami Maya Sasi Muankuma. Every say Mumuna. Opata for the Fury Aba. Oh no, no, did. Eradi Uma one is one. On the Baba Beji. Eradi man, a free quiet. 80 will be see me, sir. On the way for no more. Now so long, Santa Oshia, OPATAFUOR TV. Now be so cross in the sun. Now, Bromoni, no Rayabasa. And also, Santa Oshia, OPATAFUOR TV. Oh no, Naya Dinaba. Sena Basa Betia Kedia for Obebu Daddy Adabai. Now I use Sumu Kuradia Bie. And it is our boy, Yamabatian, OPATAFUOR. That's a Boba Toyanso, also that you are OPATAFUOR. And Tiffin, Yamabatian, OPATAFUOR. Ah, now for so proud, yeah. And all the other was said, baby, yeah. Prophet OPATAFUOR, man of God. Yeah, yeah, yeah. OPATAFUOR, Erade Shirawo. Yeah, yeah, Prophet OPATAFUOR. Yeah, but where you go? Erade Shirawo. Yeah, 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 yeah. OPATAFUOR. Prophet OPATAFUOR, Erade Shirawo Debia. Maya Bofira na Fedia Menini. Mi wuru di phobia. Otese OPATAFUOR. Akadesi. Ofira neba. Oshane china. OPATAFUOR. Ode na wodi asam. Na asam so ne Erade. Ayesano nyame ayano. Why they say on my dendere? Osi ujatano. Now do moja to me. Okana na for pesu. Afesi ana osa nyarewa. Nasa wakana bre umpa. Eya ejuri piemu kese. Ayesano nyame ayano. Ni di OPATAFUOR. Nasa usai ni siponia. Obeya chachama. Arinya woyini anambo su se Dubai ayo nyangu ponsonfo ema muyi edie sawo ya ne money esro no ebrise won kite radidi kwawate yeah yeah Prophet OPATAFUOR man of God Erade Shirawo yeah 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 OPATAFUOR. Yamawa iko Erade Shirawo. Yeah, yeah. Prophet OPATAFUOR, man of God. Erade Shirawo. Yeah, 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 yeah. OPATAFUOR. Yamawa iko Erade Shirawo. Mesimaya Bofira na Fepodia Menini. Media mi who di phobia. Otisa OPATAFUOR. Ano Okanesi. Ofira neba. Oshane china. OPATAFUOR. Ode na wodi asam. Na asam so ni Erade. Esa no nyame ayano. Why I no say on my day? Osi ujatano. Now do oja to me. Okana na from pesu. Afesi ana osa nyarewa. That's how I can bro pa. Ejura epiemu kese. Sano nyame ayano. Ni di OPATAFUOR. Ayo nyango ponsofo. Emma wuye yo.
You may be I will be a child. My network is actually troubling me a little bit. I was trying to pick a feed on the main desktop, but it's not working. Yeah. Greetings to you, each and every one of you, wherever you're watching me live. You're highly welcome. As usual, we normally meet on exactly 8 o'clock p.m. I actually took a little break, but I think I'm back. Elizabeth Osei, James Amzuya Ofori, Samuel Abuachistobai, Tibineza Dunya, Kelvins, Diana, Josephine Quiver, Dubois, Mensa Richard, Reverend Joseph Jima, Jennifer Piasanti, Schofield Osei, Amata, J. George, Connie, Michael Champon, Mamie Kia Beauty, wherever you are, a very good evening to you. You can as well leave your comment at the comment section in case if you want me to greet you. Gloria Quay, good evening to you. How you doing? Nana J Senior and Apomie. Wait me, leave you a comment. No man who say oh line so. The network in your cry. I'm why. Pastor Shadrach. Bibi Aboko. Okay, well. In Komo, Yamiadrum, and on the 15th of August, 2025. 10 minutes past the hour 8. Okay, Mami Adjoa Buahima. He said you're watching live from Bichim. Wow, that's very great. How you doing? Danichi, Bibi Aboko. Nana J Senior, or yes, Papa, I'm doing good, just that I'm down with malaria. I don't think so. There are two different types of it. Is it monaria or malaria? You see, when we actually entered into the month of August, so many people are suffering from monaria. So come back, Nana G, and clarify things for us. Is it malaria, as you said, or monaria? Yeah, some people are suffering from monaria, and they need to be healed. Kwame Apia Silas, Fifi Esuma, big ups to you, big boss. How you doing? Roger. Oh my goodness. Ghana has become very sweet. Even when you are walking on the street, you can see plenty $100 note on the street. Ghana, if you are living in abroad, kindly come back home. You will see money on the street just like that. I was very shocked. Yesterday, I saw a lot of dollars on the street when I actually decided to perambulate around my area. I saw a lot of money on the street. Accra to, I think it's happening same over there. So if you are living in the United States, Canada, Germany, Italy, Spain, wherever that you live in, you can come back home because there's the Ghana street has become full of money. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Kindly share the link for me and let it get to a lot of people. Alert people that I'm live. Mo kwan wa abrochi bia no. Mo amatu kwan wa abrochi bia no brefie. Brefie na say Ghana ye de. Hwe. Me si untu na mienu na sika da ho no afa. Hey. Enram semene nam sa sika. I didn't know me about you. About you. Mr. Stobite, he says, Monaria is really disturbing us. Oh, you people are not fortunate enough. Why? Because I wanted to give you people money directions, but anytime that I try doing that, you see people temper with my channel. My tries are my channel, yeah, no more, hammy. It drew maybe I say, yeah, my jamming preachy, me jaya too. Obi Ohodoma was subscribe or click on the notification bell. And so upload the video and man sign bia Obi Ohodoma Mumubi. I just say how so my memory say papa the video fufuru bi atoa ansana. But meanwhile no so nka the video to me was alert nipa. So sa nyoma we nyina na ya na amama sign off kakra. Obi a onya notification onya hwe me was nipa na click e notification bell no I was alert no but channel no o matempa no ntine ya na ha adwene eno nti ama me ye adwuma to go. Why? Because many people are not seeing it. And into no mesro very soon you be call a Rhyme TV. You be call Rhyme TV. I want to be call OPATAFUOR TV ni di omo kuntia channel no. Aya no musuru no krana me de mamo no. And so I don't lie in my teachings. I tell you people the truth so that you can actually be liberated. But I know no more penisa. They be a person who keep nipa ewo esum. Sanity. But nyame be to OPATAFUOR me channel no de ha adwene pa and na ha adwene no because you see Thomas says it is very true. I always have to check to find out if you are on YouTube. Yes, that's exactly what people have been going through. I've been receiving this complaint so many months. I've hired people to cross-check on a channel and a lot. And they said there are some people behind it. So whatever reason, very soon you see me on Rhyme TV. So get that. Until I it room maybe I'm a jai preaching, Me jai na echa na fi na masasha see kakra. Until be all one with the video to my bones nipa 300, nipa 200, nipa 500 or na and so enka channel na was saying yini but channel ni yini adintia oya no matempa no oya no Kofi paper cho Rhyme TV de hoye nkatwi hoye English channel adaroma Chi na nkasa oka twi a we limited within the tree speaking community. And Emma nipa na me pese me touch o mo life no me ntimi touch. What do I say? Nti e be call Ryan TV very soon. And also the brofo nko a okay, you see Entwaso. That's just by the way. Yes, and you may what question be a fabra na yen deliberate on issues na intime any common call as usual about 9:30 yebepon. We've spent about 60 minutes, so we have about 1 hour 15 minutes. You know, about 1 hour 15 minutes. And what question be about to wait me about fast na yen call. When you're intentem. Okay. Fast. For our question, bra. Yeah, same. You say America for want to say Germany for want to say Italy for France for want to say Belgium want to say Australia, Canada for Moamote Accra for so want to say Zen Echo. If you are Suboko, yes, in income, you can bring your question. And then Friday. He says, Papa, please, my question is, if you have a gift and you are not working on it, will it tend to negative? Will it tend to negative and fight you? No gift turns into negativity, but just that if it is truly you have a gift, the one who gave you that power will fight you. When you say, it is say we are comfort, we are comfort, and now we nipa bi akeke na bosom bi pese obekom no na wa ama bosom no wa ama bosom no kwan ama bosom no wa nkom na bosom no be fight saa na Nyankopon so adoma kyede etie ebi na me come a story e kire say several times and ma ko gina nyame ani ma ka kire say onje a gift because me pay to me. I can't remember those days when I was resting with the Spirit of God. Many radia konsa, me ma konsa, me radia konsa several times. And another dinner me catch on with me because I was going through a lot because of this gift. It drew me when I'm saying radin to me several times. I've insulted God several times. I've insulted Christ several times. But as for the Holy Spirit, I've not. But God the Father several times. I don't lie to you. But Yankopon attempt several times. I didn't drew me now. Pressure and all the say a judge to me. I'm pen baby. But the meaning in Yankopon found on the edge or when you're from there, no, as for now, what's around there, no, as soon. Sanity. In theatre say, Bosom a foul, and now to me be a bow room. So I'm a whole coin, I'm a Sade Codiano. One for 1 year, Juma, and I don't crona or the house into sanity. Okay. Jesus has already taught us prayers in an AJ senior. Say, please, Papa, is there effective steps of prayers of which it will be answered? Yes, I didn't kind. Actually, I said the Simon Pie. Into your hotiano, check it. Why? Yeah, check it. Okay. Ernest Owusu. Yes. I didn't catch out that I say. Every year, beyond. The month of August. And now, I home where we are singing now. Omo take counsel. Abayfo tumidie esumu etremode honhom. A month of August. It August be a good month. Every year be a August. August a devil's month. Onye bosome papa. Until ye oye mistake kitu be a August dia o me how. Okay. Yo mate. Amajima, she said, because we have you, Dana Mada. Amajima, continue lying. And then the fake love. It is well with my soul. Bashiru Fayahu said, Obuase is hard now. What happened? Bashiru, then Obuase yeding. Sikakrum. Yes. Flora J, please. That you said the other day that you teach us the benefit of the blood of the great one. Please, can you educate us? It's a broad topic. I have to take my time and then elaborate on things. You have to understand the concept of the blood. Yes. Aaron Edu says, Sia, God bless you. Please, I've been hearing some preachers that God does not kill. And there are so many scriptures that tell us that God does. What is your take on this, please? How can someone tell you this Kwekwanansi story that God does not kill? Who said that? Mr. Aaron, who said that? God kills. He can kill you. If God does not kill, who created the angel of death? Now, when a commander sends a military personnel to go and shoot somebody, who actually did that? Is it not the commander? So if an angel of God kills somebody, who actually did it? Is it not God? So anybody who tells you that God does not kill doesn't really know what he's talking about. God kills more than any entity in this world. The reason why sometimes he exercises that power and authority is because he has that domain, that power over human soul. Obi obaka kire say Nyankopon onkum bia oboa. Nyankopon okum. Na mo no ya metie asofo ni bi teaching sa na masere Nyankopon onkum. Na tumi be na wo asase we so a obo mafia esene Nyankopon. Tumi be ya. tumi bia no ha obɔ ma afiase nyankopɔn yɛwɔ nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a yɛntimi nka nkyerɛ mo tieni o yɛwɔ nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a yɛntimi nka nkyerɛ mo na yɛka se yɛka kyerɛ mo anka mbɛka sɛ nyankopɔn ɔno nyankopɔn koro mfiri nyame we na akoa bi ɔsɛ awurade nyankopɔn nhyira wate there are certain things we can't tell you people. See a catch a better temper with your faith. Some of the people who are watching me right now, they are not matured spiritually. So there are certain things we can't tell you people. It has to be dealt with behind closed doors. You only maybe why ain't in country sanity. You only maybe why you see and yen symbian meet me and catch them. You only ma nim. Any dear radin and coupon abuse to me. Asase we so menka nkyerɛ obi ada menka nkyerɛ me yamu bada menka nkyerɛ me yiri bi da menka nkyerɛ me madamfo menka nkyerɛ me papa da. That thing remains secret between me and the Spirit of God and as a many awurade ntem nti nye nsɛm nyinaa ɛne ebetimi aka kyerɛ yɛsɛ yɛka se yɛka mu nyame mu nyame su yɛka se yɛkyerɛ onyankopɔn su ni akyerɛ onyankopɔn ahenniam ani emu ahintasɛm a yɛwɔ mu bebree mu ankasa koraa mo bɛ shocked. And sometimes you stick to these Pentecost teachings and then the Catholics and stuff. These are minor things, surface mind. You just do it and then you go your way. Victor, salute you, sir. Augustina Aqua, Irong Bagbo, how you doing? And another Jay says, Papa, please, some churches have this culture of transferring pastors to other branches every 4 years. Can this affect the churches negatively since each person with his own anointing or grace? It is very good. It is very good. When the church operates in that dimension, it helps. You will all say, when you stay too much in power, you become corrupt. Etibia ya posti Pentecost, sofu bi akoto America, bia Virginia. Na sofu ida sotu ABC ana sofu no aye corrupt. Wajiji adamudie ontimi nka no kore no ote ho. Nneoma nse me pese me de ma no bekeka nsem bi. Eno na wo ye no ho no. Njai se ye no na ye de foforo aba. Nti that thing Pentecost 4 year who transfer as sofu bi kwa ha na say other church bi ye no. Eboa. Very important. Okay. Amata, Papa, please, when is my suffering? When is my suffering will end since I become a believer? Or is something I'm not doing right? That is why all those things come into my life. Ama, you see, the problem with some of you people, some of you people, let me correct you on certain things. Let me correct you. If you are very fortunate to have watched this very video this very evening, mamen correct mo e woni o ma bi ho. Yen mamen kire wade. Se unyini spiritually e beduru yen empempenso a ye duru e wonyame mu na. Ye value bibia wa asase we so. Ade a ye value a breath that carries words. Ohomia asem tieni ohomia ekura asem obi ka se de na apa akire on say mumu a Christopher mutimi ko gina Nyankopon ani sisia yebusa wo say, do you love God? Obi ka say ani, you love God so much. Now sa asem na waka no matter what you do, it will create problems for you. No matter what. Okay? Opa, do whatever you want to do. But the word I love God, I love the Holy Spirit, I love Jesus. Upa biwano kebi. Upa ye ding. It will create problem for you. Swati ase. Obi bebu sa say adentia. The Holy Spirit is a spirit. God is a spirit. Jesus has transfigured and transcended to the zenith of heaven, and now he has become a spirit. So when you say such things, they hold your words into account. You account for it. They will test you with it. It is same me to me or OPATAFUOR. I will say, "Eya amajimai. Eya na okase, Papa, we love you." I may say a fake love. Unim di enti a me kan sa asebo. Me papa owo me. Me mami owo me, me nua, madamfo. Se wo bie wa no ka kire say, "Papa, I love you." O kan na me sero adentia. Sa asem na wo de wa no aka no, ebe mo wanya problem. Problem na obenya ne say. Asem bi be si wo me ne umienu ntem. Ho na wo be justify yourself say, "Ampa odom yampa." Asem be si a me ne umienu. One way a sa asem ne betima mama say wa na me ebe lidi mama kese. Ana sa asem no ebe generate issues. Ho na ye justify who say, "Eyampa odom." It is a sorry now be one now keka wonsem. We say, "I love God, I love the Spirit of God, I love the Holy Spirit, I love Jesus." Sansem na wo kan ahum holding in higher esteem. On be hold you into account. Asem bie no a wo be ka kire tumi a. Tumi no obema asem no God just like that too. Yen spiritually no, yenim bibi say na me didi agoro. Man sheda eda mekaye. Asem bia be firi wano aba bia. There are spirit entities omufa ni serious. Enti obi ho hono ma wasachra. Wase me ni Kristo do. Me de Awurade do. Awurade do. Awurade ahoden. Awurade do. So won de besam kiro no. Obi wa wase me do Awurade. Me do hon konkon. Wo ntimi do Awurade da. Obi nu asase wesu. Obetimi ado Awurade. Me say Jesus, Peter, when you read John 21, Peter laid false claims by telling Jesus that he loves Jesus. But when Jesus decided to put his love to test by or making Peter to go hungry, Peter Jan, what he has here? Peter Jan honum. Peter Jina Nyankupu enim ka kire ne say ono odonu Yesu. Enti na Yesu ehia Peter no obusa na 2 times to 3 times say. Enti Peter Simon Petro udo we enu kyem ya na o se Awurade me do. Ena Yesu ka kire say udo me dia ye ne minwan adentia. Wo se udo Yesu ena John 21 wu Peter ekom di ukitua bi ena waganya no dwuma honom eko. Enti obi wo na o hia me no o ka kire me say, "Papa, I love you," and I'm hwe na me sere unim de wo kan. Unim de wo kan. Sa wonsem na wo kan. Ye be hold you accountable. Me ankasa OPATAFUOR kra no. Me test you. I'll create problems spiritually for it to manifest physically and test you to see if you love me. When you love me, I'll get to know. Ndi onsem bi o ha mu biebie ma no keka no nyame fie enti obi wo ha otibi kogire Nyankopon anim ka kire Nyankopon say, "Awurade ma menye den na menye nam." So wo ka say Awurade ma wo nye den na wo nye nam a me ka no kura kire say every day bia wo be ko problem aho kire eka kwada na atenti na nipa di wani so wo na wo ka ye wo say Awurade ma wo nye den o ma wo nye nam sa na nyame be ye. We become den and nam when we are being tormented by our fellows in the society. You think mamenye dina menye namono Nyankopon be ma utumi. That's what you think. That enye sa na tie. Ubie wa no bompa ye bia na o ka kire Nyankopon say, "Awurade mamenye dina menye namwa." obema problem atoto sa amane betoto. And sometimes, the problems you are going through, check yourself. You are the one creating it. You are the one calling upon the Spirit of God to create it for you. And Timua amata se uta bompe se rade ema wonye din na oma wonye namwa me pacho hweneji nesesa mpaibo no ana se uta aka se I love Jesus and answer I love God and I love the Holy Spirit me pacho sesa wano esa de bi ombeso wahwesa ombeso wahwesa ombeso wahwesa ombemu akwa amanim ena ometima mo akwa amanim bi about 30 years no mu fiu. So what you say ometima mo akwa amanim be 30 years etimu mo san krofo we no mo a Christopher no mo nsem na amoka no eno na ye di generate issues spiritually at the mount obien ho obegina nyanko he. Now mo amhwe mi go and read the book of Joshua. Go and read tienie go and read the book of Joshua. What actually transpired that led to the sacrificial of Isaac. Munko kinkan the book of Joshua. Ubehu die si ya e ma Nyankopon kan say Abraham enku ni ba Isaac. What you say? Entimuno muko jina tumi animu a obi wo ho a an angel of God will appear to you when you are praying but you are not aware. You don't have eyes to see. Then you say to God, say, God, I love you. Can you love God? You can never love God. You can never love God. When you make those claims, you'll be tested. You'll be tested. Okay? Go and read the book of Joshua. Ubehu die si ye ma. Yo, Isaac ne bie na no keke se me de I love my father. And for that matter, ade bi a me papa be ka kire me bia be ye. Sa asem no kan no, Satan ete, and what they call board charge e wo heaven etie and say, Abraham ne ba Isaac say odo ne papa no. Na de papa be ka bia no, you can say obeye enti mayen testing hwe say odo na o kan no kore. Enti ho na Nyankopon man others say yen sacrifice Isaac. What you say? Yen sacrifice Isaac. Enti nyoma bi wo ho mon sem na amokeka no eno ne create the way you people stand before God and pray. Obi timi ka say papa I love you. Answer ya aboka na mesrebo because you don't know how to talk. You choose your words anyhow just like that. You choose your words anyhow. Obi timi papa I love you. You can't love me. I'm telling you. It is only few people who can love me. Even Jesus. At the dying moment, everybody betrayed his love. Even Jesus. When the father had sacrificed, the mother had also sacrificed. The 12 apostles. Was it not Peter who took out knife to cut the ears of somebody? But at the dying moment, they all betrayed Jesus. Why? They can't love him. We find you. Mumu bi wo hono a mo keka mo nsam keke. Charity Manu says, Father, instead of saying we love you, can we say we like you? You cannot like me either. Is there anybody in this world who can like me? Is there anybody who can like me? You can't like me. You can't like me. You can't like me. It is only few people on this line who can like me. Some of you people, you don't know how to talk. You win kasa. Papa, we love you. Papa, I love you so much. Can you love me? Hey, you are very funny. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Ernest also say, Papa, then we adore you. Kwajapia, you are welcome back. Today we actually took the lead. Josephine Boate, I say, Papa, I love you. Oh yeah, sure. I say the Biayana Bibusa say, oh yeah, sure. Roger. Jennifer Apia Sante. You don't know what it entails. We don't take things just like that too. Huh? Alice was saying me, I love you. Alice, are you sure? Can you love me? Are you sure you can love me? Nobody can love me. Even Jesus, you can't love him. If there is anybody here on earth who loves Jesus, then I'm telling you that God will divide his kingdom. Jesus will divide his kingdom and give you half of it. I'm telling you. Okay, Bishop Belinda Brown, he says, we appreciate you. Yes, you can appreciate me. That one, I agree with you. You can appreciate me. Mary Magdalene, let us say, you can appreciate me, but you can't like me. I'm not saying you don't have the power to like me, but there are some people that likeness, you can't. And love, you can't. When I decide to explain things to you, me, when I was a child in Christ, I quite remember 16, 17 years ago, anytime that the Spirit of God will appear to me and tells me that, do you love me? I say, I love you. Hey, I keep on loving God, but my problems keeps on increasing. Everybody decided to hate me for no reason. Even people that I'll do good to, they hate me. Hey, people will be chastising me. People will, you see, there's nothing that they have not done to me. So one day, I had to pray. So I fasted and prayed. And one of the 24 elders appeared to me and began explaining things to me. This is where I realized that I have been making the biggest mistakes of my life. It is some of you people, as how Kodra Piasante said, you have been throwing words around. You don't even know the meaning of it and the implication. So since then, I have stopped saying, I love God. I can't love God. I can't. I can't love Jesus. I can't. And one day I will explain to you. Now, even Peter denied the love of Jesus and you. Those days when they were not paying for any school fees and light and everything was free, even Jesus, Peter denied. You are paying for utility bills, light bills, water bill, rental bills, and a whole lot. And Master Jai, I quite remember those days. I had an encounter with an angel. My main cancer being trouble. Somewhere 2010, I had an encounter with an angel. And the angel taught me that, do I want to be fortified and very strong spiritually? Then I say yes. Who on earth doesn't want to be fortified and be strong spiritually? Everybody wants to be fortified and be strong spiritually. So when I responded yes, then the angel taught me that anytime that I stand before the Spirit of God, I should tell God that it should make me strong physically. Bofuo when a kyerɛ me sɛ mekɔ Nyankopɔn anim bia me mmɔ mpaeɛ na menka nkyerɛ ne sɛ ɔma menyɛ den na menyɛ nam. Sister, I'm telling you, me bɔ saa mpaeɛ ne saa for 4 years. One day, and I'm paying for aduonu na ne mu baako bɛka kyerɛ me sɛ hey, stop it. Stop it. Adentia. Because of that prayer, Awurade ma menyɛ den na menyɛ nam no. Mabusuafoɔ nyinaa yi me man. Me namfofoɔ nyinaa yi me man. It created problem between me and my father. I felt like taking my own life. Na me homete. Mabamu abu. I have bent Bible before. I have bent Bible. Me kind of crutch. Me mashi Bible pay. Mashi Bible say my tam Bible I send pay. All in the name because of say me homete. Mina, the entire community. I seized power over there. Those days I was around 15 to 16, 17 years. I seized power in a community and told the fetish priest and priestess over there that nobody will be to me and come. And indeed, it came to reality. And because of that, do you know what they did to me? They beat the hell out of me. The way they beat me and got me naked. Huh? Me ya boomy on the public space. Aboma de jama ye naked. And kwala nyina be try me when she will be a me nakedness. Why? Because me say me person me yeding. Na me yenam. You don't know some of the things that you people have been saying. You just go before God and you say things just like that. Right. You can't love me. Sure. My breasts are the whole community. A whole community. So it was later on that actually ena onyankopon honhom kyerɛ me sɛ woka asɛm say ya say na beba, woka 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 say ya say na beba. Saa na tie ɛno nti mu bi wɔ hɔ no mu a sɛ mustard a awo sɛ de bia mo bɛka kyerɛ ɔpatafoɔ sɛ you love me. Awo sɛ asɛm na ya mo kan. Awo sɛ mo kɔ abɔnten a na nkrɔfoɔ bi attack me ɛwɔ mo ho. Wonim de ntia. De ntia nkrɔfoɔ bi attack mo ɛwɔ me nti. Wo de wano akɔka sɛ you love ɔpatafoɔ. Nti sɛ if you love ɔpatafoɔ de a ɛwɔ sɛ saa asɛm na wo de wano aka ne yɛsom sei. Na Satan and Lucifer penetrate obi. Na enipa ni di matem kyerɛw. Enipa ni gu m'anim ase kyerɛw. Enipa ni kika nsɛm fa me ho kyerɛw. Ɛnyɛ na obi wa no so ɔdɔ ɔpatafoɔ. Na also ɔdɔ ɔpatafoɔ na obi bɛka asɛm kyerɛw a you couldn't defend me. When to me and defend me. Enipa bebree a na ɔmu di m'akyi ɔma san adentia. Obi na akeka nsɛm de akyerɛ wɔn. But when they saw me in the early beginnings, no, they laid false claims, say, Papa, we love you. You can't love me. I'm telling you the truth. You can't. Oh my goodness. I see the same thing, Papa. I am going through in my family. Nobody wants to see me. My face, they hate me. Oh my goodness. Let them hate you, Ama. Let them hate you, okay? Let them hate. It is better for God to love you, for people to hate you, than for humanity to love you and God to hate you. Eternity. Samuel Akowi asked Papa, please, how did you know that? Doreen said, what of saying I admire you? You can admire me, you can appreciate me, but you can't like me. You can't love me. Stop deceiving yourself. You don't love me. Huh? Even Jesus himself, nobody loved him. The one who gives salvation. What at all can OPATAFUOR give? OPATAFUOR cannot give anything. And what makes you think you can love me? You can love me. So when you tell me, say you love me, in the rest of the spirit, I assume that you yourself, you don't know what you're saying. Kwajap Asante says, Papa, we are to soak all the knowledge you have acquired from Jacob Tunfuo. Kwajo, when I give you the knowledge, you can't too. Kwajo, knowledge na ekura me no. De minim ene de nyame a kire me no, me de mawa kwajo untimi o. Kwajo untimi minia. Amajima says, please, what if it's your wife and you say you love? I don't get you. Amajima, rephrase your statement. I don't get it. I don't get it. Amajima, rephrase your statement. Roger says he likes me. Okay. You see, the question is, I am not saying that nobody on earth here cannot like me or love me, but it depends. But if it is 100 people who claims to like me or love me, it is one person who really likes me as he or she says. And until you know maybe oha, mame nkyere wade. Mame mamu secret kitwe bi. Na memfa mie mo adwene ne mo ani waso. Na memfa nkyere mo ade bi. Now, ubetimi atoka e de ama OPATAFUOR. Tie ni ye, ubetimi atoka e de ama OPATAFUOR. Ubetimi achem sika billions of dollars. Ubetimi asifie e de ama me. Ubetimi aye bibi bia de ama me. Na saa nneɛma na abayɛ ni nyinaa no nkyerɛ sɛ wodɔ me. Na mmom no, bia who appreciate me, maybe what I've done for you, and now say you like me, and now you admire me. Anybody who tells you that he or she loves you, and that love is not fortified by blood, it is never love. That is why Bible says, upon everything, love is the greatest. Love is the greatest. Bibia wasase so abiara odo na ye kese sene ni nyina. Enunti se ubie wa no ka kire me OPATAFUOR so odo me a. Sa odo no, it must be fortified by blood. We be ka kire o say eye die na ebeye den na odo no ya fortified with blood. Okay. Every love goes with sacrifice. Every love goes with sacrifice. It is a me bie ma no ka kire o say wo I love you a. E wo say wo hunti. E moja efiri me mu. E gu form because of love. E dinti wo mo bear me no. E ma ne mema. Se mo steady OPATAFUOR me nkan kire nipa say I love you da. Me nkan kire nipa say I love you. I will only tell you say I love you when I really mean it. I really meant what I'm saying. I don't just open my mouth and tell people that I love you. How? As how some of you people, you have been going about opening your mouth, telling OPATAFUOR that you love OPATAFUOR. Well, I accept it. But let me explain things into details for you to understand. Say udo obia. I was say sa nipa no. Odo na wo kan nti emoja egu form e wo ni nipa no mienu ntem. Enu nti sa fasade we example. Me de sa de we example na mwate ase. Pen ye kura min. Makoshia sa de we. Na maka kire pen we say me do no. I was a pen we hunti emoja ifiri mi gu form. Because odo amoja engu so on enye odo. Enti e kwan be ya. Eye two options. Either say sa pen we obeye made ya na mete ho a ahyeme na me tenka ewo mi mu se emoja enyunu me. Me tenka ewo mi mu se I say moja enyunu me. Nti saade na waye me no a me tenka se moja enyunu me no. Said mitimi de chepe na sa moja na enyunu me na ama matumi asu ewo form ewo pen ni hunti no. Na still mesade a chepe no. E kire se me don ampa. Extremely enye petty yawo. Yawo a onipa ni di ukomu a. Sa yawo no etimi take you life. Obi timi yawo ade ode uko pain bi mu. Sa yawo no etimi take you life. Nti sa yawo no ene de nipa na yawo no. So otimi sa de chewo a wa hwie moja na de agu. Wa amfa sekan ene twa ne ho nanso moja anyuru ewo ni mu. Enipa do se ne betini. Na ebet sa emoja na obe share because of say what de wano aka say udo nipa de ntino. Ebe see in such a way say you are not aware of it. A hodun ebe dictate and answer will be decided for your fate. Say I am pass hadie we me don. Enti another way should say because of pain we nti and I'm pain we so me hwere me kra I am pass me do pen na ampa. Adie bi a wodo ni bia 70% wise there is a possibility say saade na wodo ni nti betimi anam so ama na hwere wa hwere wo kra. Anything I was say for God so loved the world. If God has loved the world that yehunti yes on say nyankopon wa hwere ne doba. For God so loved the world. Da nyankopon do yenti on yehunti wa hwere ne ba. Enti se odonti usu do obi na onhwere bibi wo nipa no ho a oboa. He wano na ode keka ne keke. Love goes with sacrifice. Na nye bibia se mi kunu adi matem me yere adi matem mi kunu abome me yere abomasun me yere wia ni sika me yere achiti on me mi kunu achiti on me saa nyema we nyina no petty problems. It doesn't count to sacrifice. Nyemom ye wade a obi ye wa hutimi se show ema umoja ni ubi pi nyina kosoro ema advance umoja ewe. You say yes, you have paid a price for love. Until when you claim, say you love OPATAFUOR, there must be a bloodshed. There must be a bloodshed. Until Mfuano nkeka saa. Ena uka say you like Obia. Sadia na ode wano aka no. De bia nipa ne bedi nkwasi asem achero. I like my wife, I like my husband. De bia nipa ne bedi nkwasi asem achero. Ba nipa ne di nkwasi asem chero wa. Untimi nkasem sa nkwasi asem na. Sa nkwasi asem na. Nipa ne di no. She said, I can't anymore. Go your way. Oh boy, you said you like me. Obi also you like me, you know. Now I feel me dim kwasi asem de kire wa afei you don't like me anymore. Huh? You don't like me anymore. You don't like me anymore. Huh? You are offended because you called OPATAFUOR and OPATAFUOR didn't pick. You are offended. You know, sir. Wouldn't say wakuma mupa asho. Ayo ya. Mumu bebre Mr. Osei. Osei kofi hu me foforo na. Oba me fie na me pamo no. Ma nya tam ne na ani nkobo. No kra ma pamo no. Ma nya tam ne na ani nkobo. Akwa we kwa na ekwan mu twabo me se sofu we hwan. Unkwan e ba nchen a wapam me. Yeah. We see, you are offended. Are you not the one who said you like me? And now you don't like me again. I don't open my mouth and tell people that I love them, whilst I know that I can't bear the consequences of love, whilst I know that I can't sacrifice for that person. And when a woman tells me I love you, I don't say I love you back to the person. Because once I open my mouth and tell you that I love you, it means I have locked myself. I have to stick to the promise. No matter what, I have to still love you. When you are fooling, I have to love you. Even when I punish you, I have to still love you. I don't have any choice. But maybe you will have a beast. Also, so done. Odon, they are so only beast in the better. Any love you claim or you proclaim out there, you'll be tested for it. Or don't be anywhere, I'll be to me, I do be we say, yen test you. You better test you, papa. You better test you. Tionia may be your heart. Munimuka, intimate me, konyanku po anymore. When the Spirit of God asks me, do you love me? Me catch and say, Erade, se unimu a, oho atamfu bebrebe, mede mado. And this erade hum, and the best shouting. Na wa show ma, na watimi agina, ado erade, na nyawo na obetimi asole, edi woku, o guy, akojina say, God, I love you. You can never love God. The temptation you go through, you reject, you withdraw what you have said. Nyankopon na tamfu bebrebewe. So also do radia, you have declared your stand and your faith. And everybody who is against God will be against you. Lucifer, the devil, Satan, all the demons in the world, they will fight you. Intina tete edifuoro. Jeremiah, Samuel mo, Obadiah, Habakkuk, Obunyina, Obia kwa uradi yanimu a. Ose uradi shemede na mitimi know. And by loving something, there must be a bloodshed. And utina Jeremiah, a mistake cast or the radino. Omo bono. And then koto amenem amuchini to a fiase ye na yakayaka de. Because when the kind ankosre onyankopon tumi na hoɔden a ebetima ma wadono and ono ade na no say I love God. Intime pamcho wadaroma. I'm yet to experience somebody who loves me. I am yet. All what you people have been doing for me, it is not love, it is appreciation. It's appreciation. Roger, he says he always tell God to bless him so that he can also bless me. Yes, that one is not love, it's appreciation. Appreciation. It's appreciation. Enti wadaroma. Yes. Yes. Although love is the greatest of all. Love is the greatest of all. The greatest of all things. Love cannot be compared to $80 billion, $1 trillion. When they give you the whole Miami, the whole New York, New Jersey, California, whatever, when you put a whole city, a whole country on a scale, and then love will automatically outweighs the whole country. What you say? Enti odo de me pacho en nam baby na mbie wano enye ho I love you sa enkeka sa ansem no. Enkeka sa ansem no. Na odo bi a also do bibia no. You must be willing and ready to sacrifice and pay a price before you can achieve that goal. Please, Prophet, what if I love doesn't come from the heart? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Kelvin says, I was disgraced heavily, but I still followed you. That is not love. You being disgraced because of me, it is not love. Let me tell you. You must not have a reason to go through what you went through. Love stays in the blood. Odo etimojem. Enunti se me bisa oba tienie se me bisa oba se udome na oba na ka se ania me busa o se edi enti na udome edi enti na udome sa wo se udo opatafo a edi enti na udome enunti you must not have a reason to love me. Once you have a reason to love me, it is not love. That particular love is based on that thing. Once that thing is not there, you can't love me anymore. But love is like blood. Once you love OPATAFUOR, once I love something, that thing lives in me. It dwells in me. It lives within my blood. So once I lose something or that particular thing to which I have developed to love, it means that blood has come out of me. Say, me do bibi, me say me do bibia. Sadia na me say me don. Ebetra me mo jam. Sadia no ebetra me mo jam. Enunti na ya omo say odo de di na akoma mu no. Wonim die ntia. Odo ntia akoma mu o. Odo etimojam. Enunti na akoma no so na emoja no wom. Ene na pompi moja no ekoye nipadua mu nyina. Enunti na nipa bebre kase. Odo de ye di na akoma mu no. Na nyese akoma no ɛna ɔdɔ no yɛdi no wom na mmom ɔdɔ ɛti mogyam ɔdɔ ti mogyam ɔdɔ ɛti mogyam enti once a mogya no mogya a ɛwɔ enipadua mu nyinaa tie nie mogya a ɛwɔ nipadua mu nyinaa no efiri n'akoma mu na ɛba so wate aseɛ efiri n'akoma mu na ɛba ɔdɔ a yɛdi no asase so nyinaa efiri akoma mu adentia ɛti mogyam ɔdɔ ɛti mogyam yɛka sɛ biribi ɔdɔ a ɔka sɛ feelings na ɔsɔle a onyama nkorɔfoɔ no na yɛ ɔdɔ. I don't get what you people are saying. He said, what of if I love you doesn't come from the heart of that person? I don't get you. Once it doesn't come from the blood, I love you must come from your blood. Huh? I love you must come from the heart, which is the blood. So if it doesn't come from the heart, which is the blood, it means you don't love me. And when I ask you, why do you love me? And you are able to give a reason, it is never love. Love doesn't have any condition. It doesn't have any reason. You don't need to have a reason to love something. No. That is why they said love is blind. Love is blind. You don't have to have a reason. You should love for no reason. God loved humanity. He didn't say humans are intelligent, humans are gullible, humans are this, humans are fools, humans are this. That is the reason why I love them. He said, for God so loved the world. That is why he gave his only begotten son. God didn't make any explanation or adding any statement to it that because of this, I love humanity. No. No. God didn't make any statement, but because the love that he had for humanity, it lives in his blood. So he didn't need to give a reason to love us. He loved us. And to me say me do sister, minim the entire me do. If I am able to tell you I love you because of this, sister, me boa adas had any ni hono. Mean to be in do beam. It's a conditional love, and that thing is not real. Why do you love my daughter? Then you tell me in the face, maybe I have a daughter, you have come to ask my daughter's hand in marriage. Then I ask you, do you love my daughter? He said yes. Why do you love my daughter? Then you go ahead, because your daughter is so respectful, she's calm and harmless, she's caring. Okay, what of one day you wake up and then my daughter goes haywire and then she loses her respect for you? What else again? It means you will not love her again, right? So you don't need anything to love anybody. So when you love something, you don't have a reason. You can't even explain it. I don't know why I love you. I don't know why I love you. You shouldn't have a reason for it. Who told you? Doreen said, he says, please, the spirit sees beyond. So what if I don't proclaim it verbally, but hide it in me? Will I still suffer for it? It's a lie. It's a lie. Nobody knows where love is. Nobody knows the color of love. Nobody knows the nature of love. But yet, the loudest of them all in the society is love. Love makes a lot of noise more than anything. Love, it makes a lot of noise more than anything in this world. Love. So if you tell me you can't confess your love, or you don't want to proclaim your love, but secretly you love the person, yeah, oh boy, you admire the person, or you have developed lust or something like that. Love makes a lot of noise. Do you know why? Because you, the person experiencing that love, it will make you go haywire. You behave in such an unmatured way. You see, the reason why some people still question the authenticity of Jesus' sacrifice. Why would God create the whole world and decide to sacrifice his own son? Why? To appease the devil, to reclaim humanity back. Why? But they have forgotten that the Bible says that for God so loved the world. So when you love something, you behave like a child. Why didn't God kill Satan so that we will rest at peace instead of sacrificing your son? God sacrificed his son because he loved the world. And sometimes love will make you behave like a child. This one, it doesn't tally. It doesn't sound reasonable. This is the devil. He is misbehaving. Why should you have to sacrifice your own son? Why? Why? Because if God claims to love humanity and he had not shed blood because of the love he had for humanity, then the so-called acclaimed love that God professed to have had for us is total lies. So you people, you don't know what we call love. Adentina bonsam adi nkwasi asema wonyankopon unkunu o se me se onyankopon do nipa na ode ne doba ba ko man. What you say? Enti you odo he wuni modo mo de mano na mo ne na mo de o koshia abrantie bi na o so to na oto che no onofo che no na oho che no na obegina onim se me do a me huwa na makoma meyam hye me ana hu se me mfem pade no ni nyina eye worse. Ni nyina eye worse. Sister, forget it. If you want to experience love, you don't know. You don't know. Me share me shamu nsem bi aya amoka me tie mu sa na masere mo. You bet me I love it. Share Peter kura adwane. Peter kura adwane. Peter kura adwane. We say medium na mani edin. Medium ginam. It doesn't work like that, please. You see, love is the greatest of all. The greatest of all. So we don't joke with it. You don't joke with it. We don't joke with it. Ntina Ubika say, I love you. I'm doing anything. Say, I'll poo. Majority of some of you people, when you tell me I love you, Papa, I'm saying I'll poo. Oh my goodness. Oh, for OPATAFUOR me hard new. They said love is patient and kind. Of course, love, this man called love, who is patient and kind at the same time. He is the wicked of the wicked of all of them. He is the stupidest of all of them. So anything, that is why they said everything revolves around love. And that is all. Enti mepawcho eniyoma bi wo ho na mukogina Nyankopon animu a sere Nyankopon animu adom di bia me ko Nyankopon animu a me ka kire Awurade se Awurade ma menya wanimu adom no wahoɔden na mentimi mfa ndɔ wo Awurade na emom enye opatafoɔ na me di dwa ne ahantan ebekwa akogina Nyankopon animu because God, I love you so much. Me na echina bi oma ekuro etutu me so or they test me na me kokan de asem nemom se metimi agina ekuro na Nyankopon ede betu me ede attest me na no a agi se Onyankopon ama me agi se Onyankopon ama me ahoɔden enti na bibie wo Nyankopon mu bia no yesre usre Awurade Peter tienie Peter abra ye bechi Yesu na yekobo Yesu asenuam enyo na twese kan twa obi aso Yesu busa na ose me do wo Awurade me no beko na ukodru John 21 na ekom de wa Peter say onti mini Yesu na ntibi mo de okọ back to eposo because ekom de no dodo eni ti say na onim ade a okeka onim ade a okeka enti oh yeah o yes udo obi a saa de kode na wo so udo ni nti umoja ebegu wo ho ade na wo no enam se wa ma saa de no kwan abetena umoja mu saa de no wa ma ne kwan ababetena umoja mu nti se betena umoja mu a saa de na wo so udo nti no e wo se umoja gu fom e wo ho nti no bia ubompa ya o se Awurade oda Roma me abofra me nim kasa me ni efra me wani nsu me hu ade me sere o se hu me mobo e wa hiniem me sere o se hu me mobo e wa hiniem na me ntimi eni wachi me ntimi nya akoma emfa ndo. When you pray with this type of humility, this is where you can go far in life. But every day when you claim that you love God, they will be testing you every now and then to prove your authenticity, the genuineness of your love. And of course, you can laugh. But me, I will test you several times. Intimate test you several times. I feel pass ya no who say odo me ampa. And inti say wo say odo Awurade a Awurade be test you several times. But mostly no eya na 7 times. And we be test you ehu. Amu ehu say odo no. Tienie. Even at the critical moment in the life of Jesus, he broke the covenant of love. Jesus was the master of them all. Yesu ona ye panyini ona te ni nyina so. And so it do say all pay the price of love no. Na bamu bui. Oka kire Nyankopon se owura enkebeya enkamakruwei empare me. Inti saa asɛm na Yesu kan no na bamu bui. Nanso so unim Yesu Kristo na ho brase eni nti wosre Awurade wose owura maja open enye ho enkebe ya anka makuru wa impare me odo we dia no odin se mabedo ewiase nti medi nipadua ne mekra to ho abafode dia mawiase odo we dia no odin kebe ya anka impare me nenso so wadaroma hyemeden na ope ena enye ho eni nti me watafoɔ me kɔ Awurade animu a me nkɔsrɛ Awurade me kɔ a me se owura wadaroma kan wo waheniem ma kwan entene ma me akoma a metimi di adɔ de bia because me nim se bia na dabi onyame ensohwe bi ene amanie bi aba me so na mantimi anyina no na afi ma pa onyankopɔn dɔ enu ntimi nkoye saa adwa ne ahomaso no ɛyɛ onyankopɔn ko a ne timi dɔ nipa enye nipa ntimi dɔ nipa ɛyɛ onyankopɔn ko a ne dɔ nipa hwɛ obetimi adɔ untimi ndɔ de ɔde na koma adɔ no onfa nhyɛ ne tirim sɛ wayɛ krado sɛ saa de kodeɛ na ɔde na koma adɔ no wobɛhwie mogya agu fam ɛwɔ saa deɛ ne ho nti saa deɛ no wobɛhwie mogya agu ho saa deɛ ne nti saa deɛ no bɛhɛtew saa deɛ na wode wakoma adɔ no ɛbɛhɛtew na mepaakyɛw hwɛ sɛ Yesu watimi abie na no na ɔse ɔdɔ nipa watimi ama enipa 5,000 aduane adi nanka yachi Yesu ni yɛkɔbɔ na senua mu a adentina mo a mugina ho nyina mo anya protest antwi momume amfa ama Yesu nanso mu betray no adentia Jesus had firstly loved the world, so the world has to do something very painful to Jesus. Yes, we didn't candle into wedding candle into I was said if we are seeing a dear ya I was sad na ode wakuma adono and until say ubedo adiebia sad ninti ebe hetil because adie ni tu mojem adie no etu mojem adie no etu mojem and until na ya na empayinfo say odo yedi na komam empayinfo no omadwene mu no omunim se odo no eti akomam nanso so enye se akomani mu nete emoja ene tai akomani mu odo so ote emoja mu odo love ote emoja mu enu na ewiase ye Yesu ade ya no enu ti se obie wa no ka kire obi se odo na you must be willing to pay a price. You must be willing to pay a price. Enunti say ucha saa de kodeɛ na wode wa no aka say odo no na okɔ baby foforo ho because of say saa de na ahete wa saa tumi na obie wa no ka saa asɛm no kyerɛ no abra na ɔwɔ hɔ no no ɔbɛkari saa asɛm no against you na saa de atoa ababa bia wo no until let's assume say you meet a woman, then you tell the woman that you love her, then one way or the other she misbehaves, and sometimes because of her attitude you can't tolerate her anymore, then you break up with her, you go to another woman. Meanwhile you have already promised that first one love. I'm telling you that the spirit that bears witness between you and that will carry that love against you and come there and torture and torment you in your new relationship. That one to confuse you again. Then that one you have gone to promise that person love again. Then you move on to another love. So you see, it will become a burden like a cross. You carry the cross of love and you'll be loitering around. Intimate OPATAFUOR. I don't just mention me share the power because I love you. I don't usually tell women that I love them. No. You go and tell a woman that you love her. Can you stand? Say me catch now, say me doa. I must be willing to sacrifice and pay a price for your love. You think it is easy to live in somebody's blood? Loving something means you are living in that person's blood, or you have allowed that person to live in your blood, knowing fully well that when God created you, that person was not part of your blood. But because of love, you have created room, a portal for that person to penetrate and live in your blood. So you see people loitering about, making vain and empty promises. I love you, I love you. Who told you? You can't love. You can't love. You can never love. Aaron Boatin says even promising them Momo is dangerous. Oh, my goodness. Who told you? Anybody who tells you that love is sweet, that person is a lie. Love is never sweet. Do you know who love is? Some of you people, the way you were brought up, love is sweet. How? What makes love sweet? Tell me. It is only money in this world. It is only 3 things that are sweet. One day I'll get my time. Some of you people, you don't know anything. Listen to me. Even promising somebody without fulfilling it, there are consequences of it. That is why God does not promise people just like that. Let's assume that you are to wake up one day and you have an encounter with the Spirit of God, and the Spirit of God will give you promise, and the promise does not come into fulfillment. How would you feel? The same thing also implies. So me, I don't promise people. I don't promise people. When I promise you, I have to make sure that I will fulfill my promise, even though when that person misbehaves, I have to punish that person. And after punishing that person, I have to draw the person back to me again and fulfill my promise in the life of that person. Until I don't promise. For me to open my mouth and promise you, it means I have incurred debt onto my life. Say ubie wa no kachire ehye obi ba. Eti say de wakobọ bosia. E we say utua. Enti say me bie ma no kachire obi say sister, bra, me boa wa. Na enipa ne ye ade na enya. The only thing they say, me twe na so, me punish no ama wasu. Nanso so Sa punishment na me de be ma no. Eni kwan se me refri me bɔhyɛ no. E wo say se me ni nipa ne nante biom kra me fɔfele me bɔhyɛ no no ɔkɔ. Adentia. If you say onyame difuo bia ni hodom a, you promise people and fail them. Ope se wo touch them a ɛwɔ eja tienie. Ope se wo touch them a wo eja. Na oka asɛm a ɛbam. Na onyankopɔn enya umugidi a ye careful wɔ saa de ma no ho. Se wo hye obi bɔ. Wo keka ensɛmsɛm bi, utwa ntoro bi keka ensɛmsɛm bi a wo feel say ɛyɛ agoro. Take notice of that. Enti yewo obi wɔ hɔ a enti na me o kasa odo me ana behwe wanim din ma adwene mu no sɛ obi kasa papa I love you a ma adwene mu hu sɛ o ya akwala o nim de o keka saa na tie. Until I have tested you 7 times for you to prove the genuineness of your love. When I test you and you fail among the 7, yes, if you tell me you love me, bear it in mind that I'll test you 7 times. So also do me, I may test you 7 times. Michael Champon, he says, please, prophet, how can we break free from love promised to many people? And yet, Michael, what the cat? Now, the question is, me time aso. Me time no aso. If you are a woman, if you are a man, and you claim to love OPATAFUOR, don't think say you say it and I'll just accept it. I will test you. I will test you until you pass and prove yourself that indeed you love me. And loving OPATAFUOR, I don't. Okay, well, I'll not talk much. Me pacho network, you know. You be share nyame adoma echina because my time na so. Na catch you say you use data, no data limit. E wo me phone so. Enya sa so a me kate na masa ba biem se mugi tumu a